Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door passcode. First, find the programming button, often on the interior side of the lock, or have your current master code handy. It's a good idea to keep the door unlocked and slightly ajar during this process for safety and to prevent accidental lockouts. Make sure you have your new, secure passcode ready to enter, typically a 4 to 6-digit number. To begin, press and hold the programming button for about 3 seconds, or enter your existing master code, followed by the lock button. You'll typically hear a series of 1 or 2 beeps, or see a flashing light on the keypad. This auditory or visual cue confirms that your door lock is now in programming mode and awaiting your next command. Now, carefully enter your new desired passcode. Most standard keypads accept a 4 to 6-digit code for optimal security. After typing in your new sequence, press the lock button to confirm your entry. The lock will usually respond with a distinct beep or a green flashing light, indicating that it has successfully received and stored your new passcode. Finally, it's crucial to test your new passcode. Close the door and enter the new code to ensure it locks and unlocks properly. Try it a couple of times to be absolutely sure. If you had any old user codes that are no longer needed, remember to delete them from the system to maintain security. Enjoy the peace of mind with your updated door security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.